My hands were shaking. I could hear my name being called on the microphone. Everyone was looking at the stage. They were waiting for me. But I was not there. I was running toward the stairs. My name is Haley Wilson. I am 17 years old. I love singing more than anything in the world. But I have a big problem. I am very shy. I can sing for my family. I can sing for my friends. But I cannot sing in front of many people. The idea makes my heart beat too fast. I have been singing since I was a little girl. My mother always said I had a beautiful voice. My friends always asked me to sing for them, but when someone suggested I should perform on stage, I always said no. The stage was too scary for me. It was the last week of school, and something important was happening in class. There were 2 boxes on the teacher's desk. One box was for the school singing contest. The other box was for volunteering to help poor people. I wanted to help poor people. I did not want to join the singing contest. But when I looked at the singing contest box, I felt something different. Deep inside, I wanted to put my name in that box. I dreamed about singing on stage, but I was too scared. I stood next to the desk for a long time. Other students were writing their names and putting papers in the boxes. My boyfriend, Logan, was helping the teacher. He was taking the papers from students. I wrote my name on a piece of paper. I walked toward Logan. I wanted to put my paper in the helping box, but I kept looking at the singing contest box. My heart was beating fast. What if I tried? What if I was brave just once? When it was my turn, I gave my paper to Logan and walked away quickly. The next day, Logan found me after school. He had a big smile on his face.
Haley, I am so proud of you,
He said.
I knew you would do it one day.
I frowned. Do what?
The singing contest. You finally joined.
My heart stopped. What? No. I wanted to volunteer for helping poor people. Logan looked confused.
But you gave me your paper. I put it in the singing contest box. I thought you wanted to try singing on stage. You have such a beautiful voice.
I felt sick. My face turned red. My hands started shaking. Logan, I cannot do this. You know I'm too shy,
But Haley,
he said softly.
you sing beautifully. This is your chance.
I ran home and locked myself in my room. The contest was tomorrow. I could not do it. That night, I did not sleep well. I kept imagining myself on stage, forgetting the words, people laughing at me. It felt terrible. The next morning, I decided not to go to school. But then I thought, maybe I could just watch. I didn't have to perform. I went to school. The big hall was full of students and teachers. There was a stage with bright lights. My stomach turned when I saw it. The contest started. Many students performed. Some were good, some were not so good, but they all looked confident. They were not afraid. I watched and felt sad. Why could they do it, but I could not? Then I heard my name on the microphone.
Next performer is Haley Wilson.
Everyone looked around. My face became hot. My legs felt weak. I had to get out. I ran toward the stairs. But on the wall, there were pictures of famous singers. My favorite singer was there too. She looked so confident and happy. I remembered singing her songs in my room when I was little. I dreamed about being like her one day. I stopped running. Maybe this was my chance. Maybe I should be brave. It was just a school contest. If I made a mistake, people would forget during the summer. They called my name again.
Haley Wilson, please come to the stage.
I took a deep breath and walked back toward the hall. My legs shook as I stepped on stage. The lights were bright. I could not see the faces in the crowd. I stood at the microphone. My mouth felt dry. I was terrified. Then I heard a voice.
You can do it, Haley.
It was Logan. He was clapping. Other people started clapping too. They wanted me to succeed. I closed my eyes and thought about my favorite song. I started singing. At first, my voice shook, but as I kept going, something changed. The words flowed. The music felt natural. I opened my eyes. People were smiling. Some moved to the music. Logan was cheering loudly. I felt strong. I felt alive. My voice grew louder. For the first time, I was enjoying it. When I finished, the hall exploded with cheers. People clapped and stood up. I could not believe it. Later, they announced the winner. It was me. The prize was money for music lessons and equipment. It felt like a dream come true. After the contest, Logan came to me. He looked nervous.
Haley,
He said,
I have to tell you something. Yesterday, when you gave me your paper, I knew you wanted to help poor people, but I also knew how much you love singing. So I put your name in the contest box on purpose.
I stared at him. You did what?
I'm sorry, but I knew you would never do it yourself. You're too talented to hide your voice.
At first I was angry, but then I thought about how happy I had felt on stage. Logan, I said, thank you.
You're not mad?
He asked. No, you believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. That's love. Logan smiled and hugged me.
I knew you could do it. I just wanted you to know it too.
Now, 3 months later, I take singing lessons and perform at small events. I am still nervous sometimes, but I am not afraid anymore. Sometimes we need someone to push us toward our dreams. Sometimes we need someone who believes in us more than we believe in ourselves. That day on stage was the beginning of my new life. I learned that being scared is normal, but fear should not stop us from trying. My dream is still the same. I want to be a professional singer. But now I know it is possible. All because someone believed in me. All because I was brave for one moment. All because I decided not to run away. What would you do if you were in Haley's place? Would you be brave and try? Or would you run away? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed Haley's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English stories. Lesson of the day: on purpose. On purpose means you do something because you wanted to do it, not because you did it by accident. Example from the story. Logan said, "So I put your name in the singing contest box on purpose." More examples. He was angry. He threw the phone on purpose. She doesn't like me. She pushed me on purpose. I called her early in the morning on purpose to wake her up for work.